Alright, Mr. T-Rex O'Saurus agus Tommy taobh with in studio an seo Raidió Nocht hain an áda sé punk rock and roll a car agus shot lémo an shot agam agus Tommy chun an clár a dhéanamh aniu beo an air beo ar aigen is dá go mar bhí midna an í ar air na greibh lémo.
Oh yeah, V, yeah, can I scale?
Yeah, well near lig Mr. Stock go dtí an disco.
Well, we miss a coppers go dtí a sé.
Rew?
Yeah.
Séis, sin duch red enough.
Ah yeah, yeah, I fact on Dúras
Oh, tá dog, rock me the stock. Right, you're suckling and ish. Come on. Agus comic scene here was shot and shot lame. Shot in studio and shot. I made just like Dana Bryant Dubber and Shin talk Quavein on Technar House and Shin. Yeah, they good Quavein. All right, lame on. Will Shrap Pictori down to mock I could say will. Na crap.
No, Neil.
No, na crap Pictori over a tree.
No, we main with a rare.
A real?
Yeah.
Toss on grab but you know like Neil.
You ain't stodgy Jane to Agam.
Oh well, come on. You off me run egg and air on neither lane, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, right, away lane. Come on. I got shot Quavein. Fire Tom Mun, film and shot. Technar Tyon. They great Quavein, can I start to?
It's Margaret, come on.
And I want to go over good and Shane well.
Tom Trish, Taylor Swift, I'm sure.
Oh, we ain't talk.
What are you on top of that?
Taylor Swift, yes, Brala me Shin. And Euron ain't talk Shin. Well, never, ever. Ta she sound alright, Lemo. Ta. Film man, sound man, yeah. Shot in studio, she can shot. Agus by me hain, agus Lemo, a gubber, and shot. Gaeilge Nocht, Raidió Nocht hain an áda sé, punk rock and roll, as on Laba FM. Agus, yeah, sin a mic. Ta laptop agam an Shin, river a jazz. Agus beg Lemo ag see just there like on Shin. Agus tugan Lemo or no Damo is Jack agus tain sé heol on Shin. Agus yeah, being on crack again and shot. So beg on Clar a tussiu, heart air shine clog and shot, heart air a dow clog. So by mid Ray and Agus Ulf like Gaeilge Nocht Raidió Nocht. Yeah, shouldn't the lads go over and Shin back to it. Cointux car on Shin for Rudy Diffrio. Yeah. Shin Callach and Shin. Agus Philip. They go over there a Clar. On Dalek Dove. Yeah. Ganzi Jessica Faker. Aaron Jumper, huh? Alright, Lemo, can't get well too.
Sturdy bud.
Agus could have happened to Fuin Gaeilge and ish.
Nah, faker, sure fake. Tommy announced Blade and Lemo Galakar.
Ta, yeah.
Green var. Yeah.
Well, Ulvi too na shrap picture Shin.
Huh?
Was she Ulva haggard?
The shrap picture?
Yeah, crap picture over the tree.
It's Blade fooling me.
Yeah, it's fooling seed fresh enough. Sure, call me day. We took it down of ard level, no gna level.
Well, you see, hep orms a gna level le. Cuig blaine in us, tree blaine in us.
No way.
Yeah, so Tommy, explain if we just on ard level ein of him lane.
Well, coffee
and he may now pass it as the gna level.
Coffee and bound level.
Bound level?
Yeah, it's fair they shinny ein of.
No. Neil Cadagum dulles jocks around bound level.
Neil, came for.
No, Tana lads glare shin agus Neil Cadagum say dulles jock law, mer be me dribble law.
You see, being tough like ploy cake, lame, I to just see she's agus, you know, start there the ein of.
Sunshine.
Right, come on.
Wonderwall.
It's a wonder.
Yeah, small Lemo.
It's small.
Lemo Galakar.
Oh, right, take him, yeah.
And I'm Kana.
Yeah. Well, listen, come midnight on studio, we all got